me drink a little water first. That's great. Anyway. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the alternative chaining method. Now I did a tutorial some years ago on how to avoid gaps in your work when you're working in rows in crochet. This concept is pretty similar. It's not that hard to do, and I like to use this when I am working on knitting projects. I also just like to use it for a straight edge with my crochet work. It gives you an even top and bottom side to work along, or if you know you just don't like doing traditional chaining, this is a great alternative for that. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this tutorial. What you want to do is start off with a slip knot. That. And you are going to chain 2. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your hook and insert it into that first chain you made, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And yeah, it's kind of like a single crochet. Okay, so what we're going to do next is insert our hook into the left leg of that stitch that we just made, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And you'll continue doing that for the amount of chain that you need. But again, it gives you a nice straight edge on both sides of it. So if you're working on a knitting project and picking up stitches, this is a great method to use because it's easy to see. It's a personal favorite method of mine. See? Alright, and when you reach the end of your chain, or you get the desired length that you like, you just finish it off with a chain 1 and fasten off. Alright, and that is the alternative chaining method that I often reference. I hope this video was helpful for you guys today. This method is also fun to use for friendship bracelets as well as drawstrings, which I will be doing in a future demo. So if you're interested in that, consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload crochet content. Typically I post this kind of content on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. This tutorial is a supplemental demo to a pattern that I just released. It's called the Genesis Top pattern. It is a knitting pattern that is only available on my website. So if you're interested in that, you can head on over there via the link in the description box. You can also check me out on other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok. I post most frequently on Instagram, so if you want to see behind the scenes stuff as well as current patterns and what's about to come down the pipeline, then head on over there and hit that follow button, join the community. And until next time guys, happy making.